Hi everyone, I'm doing something a little different today. This is Lynn, and I wanted to show you the Love and Trip Traveler's Notebook. I'm going to unwrap it. It's not an unboxing, but it's unwrap it, and it says a red. I got it a little bit early. I got it this week. Um, the place I ordered it shipped it out, so I had it by Monday. And I've been waiting almost a whole week to open it in front of everybody so you could see what it looks like. So it comes in the traditional packaging, and the Love and Trip is a little embossed, has the normal paper insert in the back. And this is very cute. It has a little red heart at the bottom. So it says red. I've seen some places where they've actually marked it as being a burgundy color. This is the traditional traveler's notebook wrapping, and it's again wrapped in a piece of cellophane. I'm just going to pull it off. And then here's the paper insert that it comes with. Tells you what's in it when you open up the package. It's hard to see there. Can you focus it? There we go. It says it's red. I'm interested to see what color. I don't buy all of them, but I've bought a few in the last couple of years, and I actually use them. I pull them out and I'll use them here or there. So I've been enjoying them. I figure why let them sit in the packaging. They are beautiful notebooks, and I just enjoy using them, taking them out of the package. So you can see it's foiled. The Love and Trip version. Every traveler's notebook is filled with love, and I don't know about you guys, but I know mine is. That's for sure. I use my notebooks daily to write in. I have a calendar one. I have one that does my daily journaling, and it's pretty much like a junk journal because I throw everything in it. And this is the canvas bag that it comes. It's actually not canvas. It's some sort of like a linen or cotton bag, and it's wrapped in that. You can see it says for Love and Trip Travelers Company. And then inside there's another paper. It has both Japanese, and then also here's the care for your leather items, how to care for it. Comes with an extra red elastic for around the center, as well as this was one too. I've used these, the one for the packaging. I pull it out, and I save this one too in the packaging, and I use them both for in case I need to replace it. All right, set this off to the side, and here it is. Ooh, it's a pretty red. See it? It is dark. Oh, it's really pretty. Very, very pretty. Oh, yes. I love it. It is a little bit brighter red than what you see on the screen. And let me pull up my curtains just a little bit more, see if I can get some more sun in here, but I don't think it's going to help much. Nope. Okay. It is a deep red with elastic on it. And on the back it says Love and Trip with Traveler's Notebook. And I'm going to use this one for sure. It's beautiful. Open it up. And inside, look at that red. It is beautiful. Very, very red. And they have this covered with a piece of paper. Very, very pretty. Comes with the one notebook. It is foiled. Love and Trip. Let's draw a peace dove on a traveler's notebook. And the inside has the first pages have the cards. They look like this. It is a special notebook. It is limited. You can buy the notebook separately. You don't have to buy it. And then here's the paper. Very pretty. And then the back pages also have some more of those cards. I should have went and looked a little bit more about what the cards are about, but they call them like calling cards or something. You could write on them and put them inside. Love trip, love and trip, add flowers to your traveler's notebook. Hello, it's me. And then the back also has a piece. I'm guessing it's in there to protect it from the leather, just in case. But these come out, of course, if you're familiar with traveler's notebooks. It has a what do you call this? It's not a ribbon, but it marks your pages. You can put a little charm at the end of them, which I usually do. And these come out. It is stapled. It's a stapled. And the paper, does it say what kind it is? No, it does not. But it's Midori paper. It's a light cream. And I like writing on it. It's very nice. And I'll put that over here. You can see the inside, beautiful red elastics in it. Oh, very, very pretty. So I make my own traveler's notebooks, but I will use this one. And the reason why I will is because, like I said, I'd rather use it than somebody else. But like, here's a pretty one that I made, which kind of is gorgeous, which goes inside. I have a few that I saved just because I like them. They're very pretty, and they, this one looks perfect in here. So I'm going to use this one. I do have some trips coming up, but the color matches this perfectly, don't you think? Oh yeah, yeah. So I can't wait to use it. I'll probably start using it May 1st, because it's April already. And the elastic goes around like this. And the previous ones I have, this is the one I got before. Let's go on a road trip. Actually, went and got this one when we were in Long Beach. There was a show and they were doing it out there. I was able to pick one up, and let's go on a road trip. Again, you can see I used it. I got it, and I've been using it for the last few months. My little charms are very, very cute. They are. I found, because we have a motorhome when we go on travels. So I found this one that says Home Sweet Motorhome, which looks like a motorhome instead of like a trailer. And then it has these little tiny campers, which is kind of like ours. Except ours is all one color. I got to figure out how to make this like gray at the bottom so that it matches our camper. That would be very cool. So I have this one will be added to that collection. Let me focus that back in. I also have some of my originals. This one I got from my daughter. I should have had these all out, but I don't have them on my desk. I have some of them put away. This one is really hard to see. It's faint, but this one's from the airport. It's the airport edition, but mine has always been very light. The image on it is really light, hard to see, but as you can see, it's very well worn because I use this one a lot. I carry it with me when we go on trips. It has a lot of cool dangles on it. I bought the Sakura one. My daughter has the other part of it on her journal. I have clovers, 4-leaf clovers. I like them. They've always been very, very much a part of me. And this one's from Baumkuchen Shop. It says, "Not all those who wander are lost," which is very indicative of us. But this one is one of the two that I had put together with Baumkuchen. I sent it out to them, and they put pockets in it for me. It's been riveted, and the back has a big pocket. As you can see, it's well used. It was beige when I first got it, but well used. I take this one on a trip too. I have a bunch of these flowers. Oops, that's not coming in very well. A bunch of these flowers on it to mark my pages. I bought these a long time ago. The shop is no longer open, or I'd tell you what it is. She hasn't been open for a long time, but they're beautiful little uh, leather flowers and beads, and they're perfectly placed. They're just really pretty. I have a bunch of different ones. So um, I have that version, and then I have the olive regular. And this one also is Truly Yours by Bon Kuhin. You can see I've got a lot of marks on this. This one wasn't my first one. It's an olive edition. I have We Travel for Life on the bottom. That's sewn on. You can see there's pockets already by the stitching that's on the outside. And so this is my calendar. I use the grid, and this one that has the same thing. It has the pockets on the inside. I have the grids. I do on here, and I just do. It has my to-do list on it, and I have the pockets, the clear envelope pockets. I have a couple of these. This one I've modified, which I do have a video on how I did that. This is the first year I've actually just put stickers on the outside. Usually I cover these that are used for throughout the year, my two calendars, but I didn't this year. I just put stickers on it. The stickers were really cool. And again, this one has the zipper from Truly Yours. And this is my original olive. It's been loved and cared for. You can see it's got lots of marks on it. So, and it has the Traveler's Notebook, little suitcase. Love the journey, and that's just I just got it from Michael's back in the day. It was one of the, you bought it on a pack of 4, so that's really cool. And then here's another one of those 4-leaf clovers. I got it in Vegas, and I think you can still buy them. I think I found them online. So this one goes in here. This is the one I used to use all the time, but because of the front, I kind of not again. So 1, 2, 3. Now I have 4. I do have one other olive. It is still in the package, and I kept it in the package because I, for fear if I ever lost this olive, I had another one, but of course it came into the collection, so you can now buy them anytime. I haven't decided if I'm going to get this one sewn with pockets on it yet. I probably enjoy it the way it is because it is so pretty. Love it. Very, very happy I was able to pick it up. It is limited, so if you haven't gotten or can't, you be on the lookout for them. They are going to be coming out again soon in the stores. I think next week in April. That last week in April they'll come out here in the U.S. So very happy. Thanks for watching with me, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.